Hello everyone. In the previous video, you saw how my program was able to recognize the Sudoku digits using KNN algorithm. So I just completed the project and so I wanted to show that to you guys. So let's just run our program and see how the final project look like. So I told you in the last video that my computer is quite slow, so please bear with me. So this is currently recognizing the digits. After it is done, it will just overlay the answer on the Sudoku image that we provide. You will see it shortly once it gets finished. So yeah, so this is the final result. This is the Sudoku that we provided, this upper one. It just extracts the digits and tries to solve it. This is the solved Sudoku, and once we have solved the Sudoku, we just overlaid the digits on the Sudoku image. So this is the final project, and you can grab any image from the paper and just save it in your computer and provide it here. It will just solve the Sudoku. So this is the final project. Now I'll just give you a brief overview of what the how the program works. So, I have three classes: Sudoku.h, OCR.h, and this is the main function. Okay, this calls the various functions from the other classes. So now Sudoku.h just performs the functioning of grabbing the Sudoku and doing some pre-processings like thresholding and aligning the Sudoku. If the Sudoku in the image is not properly aligned, it will just align it, and so that it fits with the window. It is aligned with the window, those kind of function. Now once we are done with that, we'll iterate through each of the cells of the Sudoku and we'll send the digits, digits to the OCR class. Now OCR class performs KNN algorithm. I created the dataset for training the KNN algorithm myself. You can find it on my GitHub account, and trained it using the classification and images XML made by it. Now, once the KNN algorithm does its job, it recognizes the digit that we have sent to it and returns it to the Sudoku class again. You can see it here. Now, the Sudoku class then stores it in an array, and that array is our Sudoku array. We then provide this array to the backtracking algorithm, which then performs the solving function. The solved Sudoku is then printed on the console here. You can see, yeah, this prints the solved Sudoku here if the Sudoku is solved, obviously, and if it is not solved, we just throw a cout statement saying that the Sudoku can't be solved. Now after solving the Sudoku, printing the Sudoku on the console, we also just overlay the Sudoku on the image that we provided to give it a kind of augmented reality style. So this is the final project. Now I'll surely put this code on my GitHub account, but not right now because it is not completely, it is not very well commented. So I'll do this in a few days and then I'll post it on the GitHub account. You'll find the link to my GitHub account in the account description below. And there are a few sites, most importantly one site which I wanted to give credits. So it is named aishack.com. Now there's a guy, I don't know his name, but he writes some blog on that site, and his blogs are really awesome. So you can always check them out. He had a blog on Sudoku Grabber over there, and that really helped me start with this project. So please go to that site and just visit it once. You'll really like it. If you're interested in computer vision, you'll surely like his blogs. He explains them every concept. But he explains very well. So you can go to his blog and read that. So this was the overview of the final outcome. So thanks a lot for watching.